Hello, I'm Sarah Bentley. I'm Chief Executive of the Building Futures Group, and this is our first Building Futures Group annual boat party. We're delighted to say we've got nearly 400 members and their guests attending on the boat party today, which is the most we've ever had. They're hoping to do business hopefully and also have a bit of fun too. The networking events that we've taken over from the FMA have a great legacy, and we're hoping to build on those and really create a great environment for business but also for a bit of fun as well.
Not only do we get to come to some fantastic networking events, we get to meet industry leaders, we get to hear up-to-the-minute industry news, and even more than that, the benefit for us, of course, is the educational part of it. So we take all that industry news, we take all the best practice, and we feed that to our customers. And that helps us build really strong, good customer relations on the back end of it.
We get a really good return on investment in terms of our overall coverage, the networking possibilities, and the general look and feel of being associated with an industry body that we can now be wholeheartedly proud of.
It's there for advice. It's there someone you can turn to, that you can trust, that you can go to and share your ideas, or you can say, where do I need to go to for this? And because with a multitude of different companies with different experience, across a multitude of industries, it's really there to support you and to really help grow your business.
They really represent the industry, and they provide great networking opportunities, really good environment for people to understand more about the industry and make partnerships together.
One of the things that the Building Futures Group does is it provides direction for organisation. It enables both suppliers and users to come together and discuss topics that are important to the industry.
I think as an industry we can navel gaze. We can be very insular in how we view things. By bringing together different elements across a wider spectrum allows us to talk about what works in one area that could be transferred across, which you wouldn't normally do if you're just within your own industry or context.
We all work very hard. We can never get away from our desk, and I think this is an incredible time for us to just sit back and really listen to each other about what's actually happening in the industry.
The experience and knowledge we get from networking is unparalleled to anyone else in the industry, and it's an absolute must for us to be a part of.
There's people from all different types of businesses, and we've been able to build relationships with them, talk to them and get to know them on a personal level.
Some of the people will only be interested in service providers, others will only be interested in the specialist firms, and because of that mix, every single person here will get something out of today.
It's been absolutely an incredible event, to be honest. Going down the Thames in the evening with a great atmosphere and some spectacular views, and it's good to kind of meet the people who are the changers of industry, and also really to meet people who've got innovative ideas and really want to drive their businesses forward.
Of course, it goes without saying that the event couldn't happen without the generous support of our sponsors, so I'd just like to say a great big thank you from the Building Futures Group on behalf of all of us for sponsoring our events.